Thinly slice 1 onion. Scrub 2 pounds of potatoes and remove any big eyes. Thinly slice potatoes. Use a variety of potatoes for added flavor and color. Oil or spray your baking dish. Using 1/4 cup whole wheat flour, make 3 layers of potatoes, flour, and onions. Potatoes, flour, onion, potatoes, flour, onion, potatoes, flour, onion. Evenly pour 1½ cups of low-fat milk. Bake uncovered at 350 degrees for 1 hour or until potatoes are soft. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.